So friends, welcome to the series of Pi network updates. अगला जो update आ रहा है that is from Pi News. You can see big news @ Pi core team launches Pi application mainnet list and Pi wallet UI interface update. तो उनका जो interface है वो update आ चुका है. You can see over here कि how the interface was looking and how it is looking now. तो Pi network के applications का mainnet launch होने से पहले they are upgrading the user interface of the application. Next update, you can see this is the breakdown of your total Pi mined, also showed at the top of the mining application. तो बेसिकली आपके पास 3 टाइप के प्रोसेस है, लाइक अनवेरिफाइड बैलेंस, ट्रांसफरेबल बैलेंस एंड माइग्रेट टू मेननेट. जैसे आपका मेननेट लॉन्च हो जाएगा देन यू कैन ट्रांसफर सम ऑफ योर कॉइन्स. आपका जो वेरीफाइड बैलेंस है दैट विल बी ट्रांसफरेबल बैलेंस. आप उतने ही कॉइन को ट्रांसफर कर पाओगे टू द मेननेट टू सेल द कॉइन्स. Next update that is from the Pi News. Exciting news for the Pi network community. The Pi application interface has been revamped and it looks absolutely stunning. You can see this is the updated dashboard of the Pi application and they are making changes to the user interface of the Pi application. So this is now how the applications look like. Pi wallet look like this after the UI upgrade. Next update that is from Pi News. A good friend mined Pi for over 4 years and now he has 35,000 of which 2949 can be mapped to a Pi wallet. So you can see 2949 number of coins on this particular wallet and वो बंदा 4 साल से माइनिंग कर रहा है and उसके पास currently 35,000 से भी ज़्यादा number of coins Pi coins that is available in his wallet. And उसके अलावा we have among cryptocurrencies that have been trading in Brazil over the past 24 hours and you can see Pi network is one of them that is trending cryptocurrencies in Brazil as well. तो काफ़ी सारा awareness बढ़ रहा है in various countries and you can see Pi network is now present in Brazil as a top trending currency over there.